Hi, this is LT Survival. Well, welcome back to another knife review. This one is going to be a first impression review because this knife, a fixed blade from SanRenMu, is not really a new blade. Why am I saying that? Well, let's check the blade. This is the S611-7. 7 is probably for the color blue on the handle. If you look at the shape of the blade, I think it recalls pretty much the same shape as this one. Not sure if you see it correctly. This one is G10, that's the 910. And this one is all steel construction, which is the same family of blades. The 9104. Okay, this one is black wash. The other one is satin blade, and this one is bead blast. Really like the bead blast from SanRenMu. Really nice. Really everything. I mean, I like it. Okay. Pros and cons of this knife. Let's say small fixed blade. That would be equivalent to your secondary blade if you were to carry it. Let's talk about the sheet. The sheet is a thermoplastic. I think it's PVC, is not Kydex. Okay, it looks like Kydex. It feels plastic. Sounds like plastic, but it's not Kydex. Okay. The fit is superb. Okay, no way this knife is coming off if you don't want it. Also, the feature in the back, if you see, yeah, now you see it. Okay, the clip in the back, it's mobile, but not unless you depress this small clip here. Okay, I'm going to make a close-up. You see the clip there. If you depress that, then this is mobile, and there's like 9 position to which you can put it. Okay, which makes for a perfect either side or across the back, a scout type wear, and it doesn't move. The clip, the belt clip on it is not that thick, but it has the hook on the bottom so it doesn't come off your belt, so it's very secure, very well made. Kydex with Boston screws all along, so that way you can position it the way you want it and also the height you want it. Is it the highest quality sheet? No, it's PVC, but for the price of the knife, which is not expensive in that type of knife, it's not even 30 bucks. This sheet is perfect. It works well, it is positionable, and it'll do you good to carry this knife. This knife, first impression, the handle is a little thin. For me, that is. It's a good little knife. It holds well. I find it not thick enough. Probably either Wilson tape or some tape. Okay. Not gun tape because it doesn't make for a good handle, but Wilson tape is like the one for the tennis racket. Will give us some girth and it fit better in my hand. But if you look at it, it's a full hand. You've got a ton ramp here and it's a full flat grind. Okay, not a convex, it's a full flat high saber grind. Okay, and it's a drop point. Really well executed. It has a pommel basically for a lanyard. It is perfect, full tank construction, torque screws, really nice. I look forward in testing this knife. This summer I will be testing this knife. So let me give you a close-up with the 9110 first, and then the 910 first, And then you, just so you see the shape of the blade. Again, I have to bring in my lights. If not, you're gonna get so much grain. Okay, here's the 910 and here's the 61. So the 611. So as you can see, it's almost the same blade shape. It's very close, okay? If it's not the same, it's pretty close the same. So it is nice. There is a small guard in the bottom, okay, which could have been a flipper in the folders, okay, but there's no flippers in the folders, okay. So let's look at it. Bead blast all along, high saber grind, thumb ramp, blue scale, which that's why I chose that color, because they're G10 and they're blue. Torx construction, screw both side. The pommel, well, pommel, it's not really a pommel, but it's a lanyard hole, okay, on the full tang, which you see here. Nice, 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 really nice. Let me move back out. Well, first impression on this knife, the edge is pretty good. Can always make it better. It is not so heavy. I would say it's less heavy than my Schrade one. I guess it is lighten up in the handle. The feel of the blade is a good piece of blade, a good piece of steel that will do a great job. For the full flat grinds, always good because it cuts well, it carves well. We'll have to see how this thing does. I've not touched the edge, not strop it, not nothing. It's gonna wait till I go outside and do some more video in Quebec. So nice little knife, will be perfect for the lady when we go to the woods, because the handle is kind of small for my hand, but I'm assuming this is going to be a carver. What was that about? So it's going to be perfect for the lady in the woods. I feel that this handle might be a little small for me. Okay, the telephone is pinging. So great little knife. Hopefully I'll have a better review next time. This is just an overview of the knife. I'm so happy having been able to get this knife. Sweet blue handle, great. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe, and we'll see you back in the next one.